Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm making a crocheted pouch. I'm doing crochet for the very first time in my channel. So I hope you guys will like it. And if you do, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon so that you can get notified for my next videos. So let's go and start with the video. So my entire pouch is made with this small crocheted flower, and I made this with these two pretty colors, white and light yellow, and with the help of this 3mm crochet hook. But on this tutorial, I'm going to use these two colors to show you how I made it, just because yellow is too light and you might not be able to recognize the steps. Starting with the white, make a loop like this one. Simply have to make a slip knot on the hook. Put the hook inside the loop and grab the yarn. Then go for 4 chains, yarn over and pull through 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now attaching the very first chain with a slip knot. It will form a circle like this one, leaving a little space in the middle. So chain 1 and we have to make 12 single crochet on the circle. Go from the center of the circle, grab the yarn and pull through. Repeat this process for 11 more times. At the end of this 12 single crochet, end this circle with a slip stitch. Yarn over and pull through both the loops. Cut the yarn and put through the chain. So we got the middle portion of the flower here. Let's make the petals now. Join the other color in any of the 12 gaps by tying a knot. Chain 3, yarn over and pull through. Then start with the puff stitch. Yarn over, go back to the chain, grab the yarn and pull. Do it again. You need to do this puff stitch 3 more times on the next chain. You need to do this twice on the first chain and thrice on the next. Then pull through all 5 stitches and chain 2. Attach it in the next chain with a slip stitch. So go for 5 more petals like this. At the end, just attach it to the very first chain from where we started. and cut off the extra yarn. So our puff flower is ready. I already made 50 such flowers. Join them one by one with the help of a needle. After attaching, it will look something like this. I made a little curve on the sides because when you will fold it and join it, it will give you a very nice finishing on the sides. 5 flowers on the top row, then 6, 5 again 6, 7, 8, 7 and 6. Now you will need a jib and a little piece of cloth for the lining. Attach 3 of them together. The jib should be in the middle. Then go for a stitch. You can go for a hand stitch or do it on a machine. Anything will work. Then cut the lining according to the size of the pouch. Then stitch both the sides now. After you're done with both of the sides, simply cover the flowers with the lining. Join the other side of the jib with the lining first and then stitch the sides. After you're done, just turn it over and tada! Our simple yet elegant pouch is ready. Please let me know how you like it. That's all for today guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.